Kings and queens, lovies and honey bunnies, welcome to another video. This video is going to be a quick DIY fancy home decor for Christmas on a low budget. Every time I look at a magazine, I'm like, ooh, I could just picture myself sitting on the couch or picturing it being mine. I love home decor. I follow a lot of pages on Instagram that post kitchens, bedrooms. Lights up my eyes and my soul. This is everything that I bought from Dollarama. A huge imagination comes up with. We're going to make something original. But most importantly, I'm going to try and recreate decorations that I've seen on the Instagram site. Like these ones that are on the screen right now. And I think they're beautiful. And I think they're pretty easy to make and affordable. So let's give it a shot.